Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to find recently deleted photos in your device. Okay, this is very simple. For this, open the Photos application. Now scroll to bottom. So here you can see the option recently deleted. Tap on this one. If you set any screen passcode, then you need to enter here. Now you can see the recently deleted photos you can see here. Okay, you can see. So in case if you want to restore this photo again to your device, just tap and hold this one. Now here you can see two options, recover and delete. If you tap on the option delete, this photo will permanently deleted from your device. If you want to recover this photo, that means if you want to save back this photo to your device, then tap on the option recover. Let me show you. If you want to delete the photo permanently from your device, just tap and hold the photo, tap on delete. Tap on the option delete from all devices. That photo is permanently deleted from your device. So in these methods, you can find the recently deleted photos in your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.